Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issue where you cannot see hide, like or view count option on your Instagram post. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is really annoying for some users as a feature has been released but you're not seeing this option in your Instagram post. So the first step is to restart your app. Make sure it is closed completely and not open in the background. Now reopen your Instagram and check to see if the option has appeared. If you still don't see the option, then move on to step 2. In step 2, go over to your App Store or your Google Play Store and make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. As you can see, it clearly states the latest version contains bug fixes and performance improvements in this app. Now, once you have updated, open Instagram and check to see if you see the option or not. If you still don't see it, then move on to step 3. Now for step 3, only do this knowing you will lose any related data with this app. So you lose all your videos in draft and any search history. So to do that, go ahead and delete your Instagram app. Now go back to the App Store and reinstall it again. Once that is installed, open Instagram, log into your account and check if you can see the option available or not. Again, if you still don't see the option, then you need to move on to the last step. In step 4, you need to report it to Instagram. Open Instagram, now tap on your profile tab. Now tap on 3 lines at the top right, then tap on settings, then tap on help. Now tap on report a problem. Now tap on something isn't working. Now report your issues and what steps you have taken so far. Also, don't forget to include a screenshot of what you're seeing. Give Instagram 48 hours and if Instagram can fix it, they'll fix it for you. And there you go, that is how to fix the issue where you don't see the like and view count on your post. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.